Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a provider and engine. This determines performance, managed backups, and cost. Once chosen, create an account, verify billing, and set up IAM roles so you don't expose admin keys. Make an initial project or instance name, pick region for latency, and select instance size. Create SSH keys or console access, and sketch a minimal schema with tables and indexes so you know required storage and replicas before provisioning the database. Now provision the instance with appropriate CPU, RAM, and SSD storage. Choose automatic backups and retention. Configure networking, place the DB in a private subnet when possible, then add a bastion or specific IP allow list for administration. Enable SSL/TLS for client connections and configure firewall rules to permit only required ports. Create least privilege users and roles, seed an admin user with a complex password, and enable monitoring and alerts. Deploy your schema and seed data from a staging environment. Run migrations stepwise and validate with sample queries. Once done, connect from application servers and run performance tests to measure latency, concurrency, and query plans. Make sure replication and automated backups restore correctly by doing a test restore. If something fails, check error logs, network ACLs and DNS, confirm credentials and user grants, and inspect CPU EO and storage quotas. Often the issue is a blocked port or exhausted resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.